trip, and we want you to come along. Today we're in McBee, South Carolina at the beautiful McLeod Farms, and we're going to get a lot of goodies today. We're on this beautiful site. They have peaches and all types of vegetables, and we're not going to be able to pick any strawberries today. However, we are going to be able to buy some and buy some other delicious goodies. So, come along. Hi, Circle Time Kids Club. We're going to get some delicious strawberries along with some peach preserves. I don't know what I'm going to get, so you're just going to follow me along. We're just going to get a lot of goodies, okay? All right, y'all follow along. Welcome to Circle Time Kids Club, and today we're on a field trip. We're in the beautiful McBee, South Carolina on McLeod Farm. We decided to go out so we can show you some delicious items and things that grow on this farm right here, and we're going to have so much fun today. But first, I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. And we're out of the classroom. We want to get out and enjoy. I had to scratch because it seems like the buggy bugs are trying to get with me too. They were itching Miss Porter's nose. But we're out and we want to be in the beautiful sunshine so that we can have a day out of the classroom and to enjoy this beautiful sunshiny day on the farm. Now, if you look right over here, there's a big tractor. What color is this tractor? Can you tell me what color this tractor is? It looks, is it purple? No. What about orange? Is it orange with white wheels? No. What is it? It's green, right. This is a beautiful green tractor, and it has big black wheels, and in the inside is yellow. So that is one of the items that they use to help get all the delicious peaches and strawberries and all the delicious vegetables and fruits that they have on the farm. Not only do they sell that, they also sell delicious, yummy jams to go on our bread. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. So I'm going to bend down and get some of the items that I purchased. And one delicious item that I really enjoy eating is something that I think you'll like too. Now you need to tell me the color of this delicious fruit. Okay. Ooh. They smell so yummy, yummy, yummy to my tummy. What are these called? These are delicious strawberries. And what color are they? Are they orange? No. Are they blue? No. They look like the color red, and it has green on top. So these are one of the delicious fruits that they grow out here on the farm. Okay, I got some other delicious, there goes the wind. The wind feels so good too. So calm down, Mr. Wind, I have other things. Now, what is this, boys and girls? What is this called? What color is it? It looks a little funny. It looks like it has some hair on top too. And then it has like a green, I guess that's the stem part. This is called, is it an apple? No. What about a pear? No, it's not an apple, it's not a pear. This is an onion. And this is what we're going to use to saute in our vegetables, cook in our vegetables. Some people like onions, some people don't. But Miss Porter likes onions, and they are so delicious, and they're good for you. Now, that's one thing that I purchased, some onions. Okay, I have something else that's wrapped up in this newspaper. Yummy. This is peach jam. I'm going to put this on some bread, and they package that here on the farm, made out of the peaches that they grow from the orchard. So we're going to put this on some, you can put it on bread, you can use it on cake. Speaking of cake, I have another delicious goodie. It smells so good. This is going to be so delicious. This starts with B. This is a delicious scrumdiddlyumptious banana bread. So I'm going to take my peach jam and I'm going to put it on top of my banana bread. It's going to be so delicious. Would you like some? So, that's some of the things that we purchased out here at the farm. And I'm hoping that if you live in the state of South Carolina, or if you have a farm near you, that you'll go visit the farm and get out and just enjoy the sunny day. I wish that we could go strawberry picking, but due to the regulations right now, we're not able to do strawberry picking, but it's still a beautiful day. And we were able to shop at the farmers market here. People were very nice, and they also had a lot of other good baked goodies and things to do. However, wherever you're near, encourage your parents or someone older than you to take you to the farm so that you can get some delicious, healthy, fun things to eat. fruits and vegetables that are so good for you. Okay, you know what I see a lot on the farm? Bzzz. I see a lot of bumblebees. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! He stung me. I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Ew, gross. What a mess. Now, I'm going to get some soap and warm water, and I'm going to wash off the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm washing off the baby bumblebee. All clean. Always remember to wash the germs away and wash your hands. Well, I've had a fantabulous time out here on the farm. I hope you enjoyed our day out on the farm. I hope that you one day can visit a farm and get some delicious things and treats to eat. Until next time, bye-bye. Come on, Mr. Cameraman. Mr. Cameraman's going to say goodbye to you too. Come on, Mr. Cameraman.
All right, all unshaven.
He looks rough because he's out here on the farm too. Bye-bye, kids.
Bye-bye, kids. All right.